Good morning. I'm going to talk about how this morning I woke up and I've got an extra $15,000 in my account because of the businesses that I created with Claude. So I found Claude like probably, it's like 8 weeks now. Time flies when you're having fun. And I've created multiple businesses in that time. What I've done is I create businesses that are based around the industries that I've kind of been in Australia and that are not good, So I create alternatives to the industries that are available. So it could be an alternative of a directory, basically, as in you would pay for the directory a membership fee, a small membership fee, and you would keep your leads, basically. So, there's 600,000 tradies or 800,000 tradies or something like that around Australia, and they can sign up and use that platform. And so I've got 3 different directories at this particular moment in time. I think there's another 3 that are in that I've got in the pipeline, basically. And then I might stop there at the directories, basically, because like with coyotrade.com, for example, you can sign up and there's 177 different services. You can add your own too. So the services range from like trade services, there could be 13 or 15, something like that, kind of specific trade services. And then there's cleaning, there's dog walking, there's wedding photos, you know what I mean? So there's a lot of stuff across the line, maybe even a wedding celebrants in there that you could sign up and use Coyo Trade for. And what it is a dashboard. There's a dashboard. The customer can upload the little image, so it goes to their phone and they use that. And so every time they want something, they'll just automatically press on their phone and go into Coyo Trade, and all the services, basically service providers, are there. It's a global thing, so no matter where you are in the world, the GPS will work as well. So if you're in California and it's business in California, so there's those directories, okay, so they're membership fees. And because like that particular one is the Coyo Trades one is global, as it grows and gets known, that's like the amount of money that can be earned on that is absolutely massive, because it's it's $47 a month for an individual kind of thing, and a couple of $100 a month for larger businesses if they've got a few people, because each person logs on because the GPS tracker kind of thing, Obviously, if I'm in Australia and I'm developing your website and you're in America and that's not going to be, then you're not going to get GPS, are you, But that way that you're still going to, because it's global, it's a really good thing, okay? The thing, though, is once you start creating a business, people need to know you exist, and so you have to constantly market, But I did want to talk about I just want to tell you about that, because that's just one way that I can create a passive income. Mind you, I've just started them, so there's not people really on it yet, because it's about marketing. It's about knowing you're there. When you're marketing, you're also fighting metadata. You are fighting things. So that's why I'm always, once I've created the website, so I've gone, hey, Grouse, this is what I can do. Now it's like, how do I get organic reach? Basically, that's the next thing that I'm obsessed with, working out how to get organic reach, because Instagram basically owns the platform, owns you. And so does TikTok, and they block everything, so you can't get in there to learn things properly. I do have a viral engine which logs straight into the algorithm, but it allows you to do that, but you can't get information and all that stuff. They've really blocked that. So those businesses are really about control when it comes to marketing. But look, I wanted to say that because that's one of the businesses of many, and I'm not making money on them yet, but they're a passive income, basically. So I've built businesses that people can use and they log into, and when people log into them, I'm earning a passive income. There's nothing that I have to do past that build, basically, okay? But this morning I've woken up and there's just under $15,000 extra. So there's one business I've created, which is Nest Nurture Society, and they have it's also just new. All this is new, okay? So that is also a passive income, basically. So I've built these systems, but it's a little bit more technical because I have to spend time trying to hire people. Not that I do it. They basically, if they're skilled and experienced, they come on board, but that's a passive income as well. And the system's set up to take the money already, and they get paid each Wednesday, and it's all done by Stripe. And so I'm not even touching anything. It's all held in escrow, basically, and then all the money gets released when they have to take photos and stuff, right? So there's just proof that the individuals, that they're subcontracted and they come along. But today it's been art is what I've sold. So I've sold some pieces, as well as doing some commissions of pet portraits. So that's $15,000 just because I created a page, a website, a couple of websites, and people have found me from that. And so what I do is I create these businesses. Some are going to bring in passive income. Some of them I have to actually do something like my art because I want to continue to create my art. And then I also create the websites too and design the websites for people. So they start at $50 a week when you're when I'm doing the websites. And so if you're an artist and you want a $2,000 website, you can pay that off $50 a week. And every 2 weeks there's something that gets added to your website kind of thing. So you can see. So the development is over the time of you paying it off, kind of thing. So when it gets to $2,000, you've got your full-blown website, which is really good because at $50 a week, a lot of people can afford that. And the thing is owning it's owning it as well. But look, today, because I started these websites not too long ago, I'm already now making commissions and they're not commissions because people pay either up front or they pay half of it up front and then they pay the rest of it. And so technically that's a commission. But also for me, I don't do anything without being paid. And majority of people just pay up front. So like the things that I'm creating, I've got there's three pet portraits that I'm creating, and they're, like one's $2,000 or $3,500 and the other one's $6,000, so it's a lot of money that is coming to my account. And it's that 15 because of the way that they've paid it, just under 15. And so to create 3 pieces of artwork is because I've created the websites using Claude, and I also do the marketing. And then I'm also, when it comes to the websites, like you can go and look and you can get a $99 website. That is dead set waste of your money because a $99 website, all it is a screen that is showing images kind of thing. That is not going to bring you in any business at all because the language that you're talking is the online language. You need to understand about schemas. You need to understand about AEO, and that's what we do. And if you don't understand those words, that's probably because you're not experienced in it or you haven't researched in it because you're expecting somebody that you're paying for things. The problem is there's so many scammers out there and they go, well, this person wants to create a website. We're going to say for $99. If somebody's creating your website for $99, it's definitely a template, and it definitely takes them about 4 minutes to fill in the information. Or you fill in the information, it automatically does it for you, But they're not going to have the things that you need to actually grow your business over the years. And so I've only had my art up for a couple of weeks, like advertising. I've got Selen House. I've got leahjustice.com where I create artworks basically on a mass scale for interior designers and developers. And then I've got my pet portraits one as well. So that is a couple of $1,000s that I've made just from the pet portraits in a couple of weeks, And so these are mass scale pet portraits, and there's, probably, I don't know. I don't look at competition, so I don't know who else does these kind of styles. Well, it's my style, but that a lot of the time it becomes a memorial pet portraits. Like my poor Massive just died not long ago, and just to have a painting of them is such a special thing because your photos are beautiful, but anyone can take a photo where not everyone can paint, and then especially not everyone can paint what you're buying, So I created websites using Claude, and I have created 3 art websites. And so the pet portraits one, the leahjustice.com and Selen House, where if you're an artist you can sign up, So that's what I do, and that's how I make money. So that's how I've made just under $15,000 today. Like when I woke up, that was there, because of Claude. So follow me. If you have a business idea and you're not able to implement it, especially at the rate, if you would like to get it started quicker than what you might be able to build it at, then definitely get on to me and I can build it for you. Obviously that's what I do, so you're going to be paying for it. But you might have an idea and you just don't know how to implement that. And so don't let that stop you. If you've got some money, then we can work a payoff thing as well, right? And so for the artist, for example, if you want a $2,000 website, you can pay it off at $50 a week. I've even got it for the artists at $10,000, but let's be realistic. $10,000, they're basically hiring me to create their website for many years and update their website for many years. That's what they're doing at that $50 rate, But that now gives people an opportunity to have that amazing $10,000 website built over time and it be protected kind of thing. It's yours. If you can't pay for it anymore and you hit that $2,000 and you wanted a $5,000 one, what is that $2,000 is yours, So it's yours. I'm just basically developing it for you all the way through until you've paid off the choice that you want, you know. So anyway, that is what I've done. So I'll put the links down to the websites down below. And that's how I made $15,000 today. Well, while I was sleeping, but really, when with Claude. So see you next video.